In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in WordPress without using a plugin. Whether you're building a brand new website or just looking to enhance your existing pages, adding a button is a great way to make your site more interactive and user-friendly. Buttons can guide your visitors, draw attention to key actions, and create a seamless navigation experience. And the best part, you won't need any extra plugins or coding skills to do this. We'll be working with WordPress's built-in features, so let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. Now, instead of manually entering your credentials, select the Continue with Google option. This is a faster and more secure way to log in since it uses your existing Google account credentials. Once you've chosen this option, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Pick the account you'd like to use to manage your WordPress site. After successfully signing in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard to access your site's editing interface. Locate the Quick Links section, which is usually easy to find on the main dashboard. In this section, click on Edit Site. This will take you to the site editor where all the magic happens. Once you're in the site editor, you'll see a list or visual display of the sites associated with your account. Select the site you want to edit by clicking on it. This step is important because it ensures you're working on the correct site, taking you straight into the editing environment where you can make changes. Now, look at the top left corner of the editing interface. You'll notice a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to adding new blocks and components to your site. Once you click it, a menu will appear. To find the specific feature we want, type the word button into the search bar within this menu. This will help you quickly locate the relevant options instead of scrolling through a long list. From the search results, select the component named Buttons. This is the correct feature to use when adding a button to your page. Choosing this ensures that you're adding functionality specifically designed for buttons, which is tailored for easy customization. Now that the button is added to your page, it's time to make it your own. Directly above the button, you'll see options for editing its design and content. Start by adjusting the text displayed on the button. This is the message your visitors will see, so make it clear and action-oriented. Next, you can change the button's color to match your site's design and branding. After that, explore the alignment and spacing options to ensure the button looks neat and fits seamlessly into your page layout. These customization tools are there to help you tailor the button precisely to your needs. Once you've finished customizing, take a moment to review your work. Use the real-time preview feature within the site editor to see how the button looks and functions. This step is key because it allows you to ensure that everything works as intended. The ability to edit visually and test functionality directly within WordPress eliminates the need for additional plugins, saving you time and reducing complexity. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add and customize a button in WordPress without using a plugin. By following these steps, you can now enhance your site's design and functionality with ease. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.